Hello everyone, and welcome back to Moto Auto Trends. Today, we're diving into the world of electric bikes with a detailed look at one of the most talked about models in its class, the Engwe E26. Whether you're commuting through the city or exploring off-road trails, this fat tire e-bike has been designed to handle it all. If you're into electric mobility, make sure to stick around. This one's worth your attention.
Exterior design.
The Engwe E26 immediately grabs attention with its bold and rugged design. It comes equipped with massive 26 by 4-inch fat tires, providing excellent traction on various terrains, from city streets to sand, snow, and gravel. The frame is made from high-strength aluminum alloy, offering a perfect balance of durability and lightweight construction. It also features full fenders, a rear cargo rack, and integrated LED front and rear lights, blending style with functionality. The bike has a strong, powerful look that also feels premium and adventure-ready. Interior comfort and design. When it comes to rider comfort, the E26 doesn't disappoint. The bike features a soft, wide saddle, an adjustable handlebar, and an intuitive LCD display. The display shows important information such as speed, battery level, distance traveled, and riding mode. Ergonomically designed grips and a relaxed riding posture make long-distance rides much more comfortable. Whether you're commuting or cruising for fun, the ride feels smooth and natural. The performance and motor specs. The Engwe E26 is powered by a 750-watt brushless motor, which can peak at 1,000 watts, offering impressive acceleration and power. It can reach speeds of up to 28 to 30 miles per hour, 45 to 48 kilometers per hour, depending on terrain and rider weight. This e-bike is fitted with a 48-volt, 16Ah lithium-ion battery, which offers a range of around 60 to 70 kilometers, pure electric, and up to 100 kilometers, pedal assist mode. That makes it suitable not just for daily commutes, but also for weekend trail rides and extended adventures. Additional features and highlights. One of the standout features of the E26 is its hydraulic disc brakes on both the front and rear, providing strong and reliable stopping power in all weather conditions. The bike also includes front suspension forks and a rear adjustable shock absorber, giving it excellent shock absorption on rough terrain. Other features include IP2X water resistance, USB charging port for mobile devices, 3 riding modes, pure electric, pedal assist, and manual, and a sturdy rear rack capable of carrying extra gear or groceries. Price and global market position. In terms of value, the Engwe E26 stands out in its price range. It's typically priced between $1,1300 and $1,500 USD, depending on the seller and region. In European markets, it's gaining traction fast, especially among those looking for an affordable yet capable all-terrain electric bike. Engwe as a brand has built a reputation for offering solid build quality and high specs at a competitive price, and the E26 continues that tradition. It's making waves in the US, Europe, and Asia, quickly becoming a go-to choice for budget-conscious e-bike enthusiasts. Thanking the viewers. And that wraps up our deep dive into the Engwe E26 electric bike. If you found this video helpful, or if you're considering getting the E26 yourself, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest content. Thanks for watching Moto Auto Trends. See you in the next one. And until then, ride safe and stay awesome.